Hello everybody! Today we are here at the construction site again to show you our products. For example, the straight planks are up here so you can install them visible and they are really nice looking. But on the other side we also have coils like pre-insulated, but we will also see them over there when they're coming out of the roof. Here you can see our underfloor heating manifold. It distributes the heat to the whole floor and to the whole area. So you have a constant heat in every room and a very nice climate and temperature. Also in this construction site, our controlled air ventilation system will be used. So you use our corrugated pipe as well as the accessory for getting fresh air into the different rooms and also to get the wetness out of the house. This is very important nowadays for having a healthy environment for the whole family. Thanks for having us here. It was very interesting for us to see our products in real life. Are we allowed to come again in a couple of weeks when we have some more progress here?
Yeah, sure. You can have a look at the underfloor heating and have a look for yourself.
Thank you very much. But nevertheless, nowadays, keep the distance, wash your hands, wear a mask, get the vaccine, stay healthy, and speak to you soon.